Hello everyone, welcome to the channel where I jack other trades. Has your AC leaked before and you had to call AC tech to stop the leak? The cause is most likely a clogged drain line. In this episode, I'll show you how you should have your AC drain line installed. And as long as you follow these simple steps, it will prevent your AC from clogging and leaking ever again. Let's get to it. Here's how you should have your AC drain line installed. Have one of these made at hand. It's a piece of pipe with a water hose hookup on the end. Do not glue the joint closest to the AC and write on the pipe not glued. This is to remind yourself or someone working on a system that there is no need to cut it for service. Don't worry that it's not glued. As long as it's pushed in, it won't leak. The rest of the other joints are glued, except where the cap goes in. Have a shutoff valve next to the AC drain outlet as close to the AC as possible. Have it branch out to a T with a removable cap. Remove the cap and put the water hose hookup. Put the valve in the shutoff position. This will keep water from entering the AC. Connect the water hose to it. Turn the water on. Make sure it's not leaking from the pipes inside. The water will come rushing out the drain line, unclogging the pipe or preventing it from future clogs. Let it run for about a minute or two. Turn the hose off and remove it. Put your cap back on and open the valve. You're done. Do this every 6 months and you should be good. Here's another pro tip. Keep spare AC parts next to your AC. It will make any future necessary repairs go much quicker. Thanks for watching. Now look out for me and hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. Until next time, peace.